time I go to the ATM, and maybe if you guys could go back so the people in the back can read a little bit, we'll just spread you out. So when I say every time, you guys say every time. This is the first time ever performed, perhaps the only ever. So, every time that I go to the ATM, every time that I go to the ATM. You got that? Yeah. Alright, that's the chorus. Here we go, we'll start with that. Somebody say, every time that I go to the ATM. Every time that I go to the ATM. Yo, every time that I go to the ATM, I take out my card and punch in my pin. But this time I'm not here for cash. Instead of money, we're dispensing knowledge and math. So instead of a stack of fresh $20 bills, everybody's leaving here with new skills. Get your hands up from the front to back for the Association of the Teachers of Math. Every time that I go to the ATM. Every time that I go to the ATM. Every time that I go to the ATM, workshops, panels, and complimentary pens. Never know what you get when you come through the door. Now tell me, what does ATM stand for? Now let me get you guys to do the A and the T part. Alright. Start with A. It's for the association. T is for the teachers of the nation. It's for math and will be in New York. So it's ATM NYC every time that I go to the ATM. Every time that I go to the ATM. Alright, thanks for having me.